Hello, let's try to solve this question. And the question is a square minus b, it's equal to 133. And the second equation is b square minus a, it's equal to 133. Then what is the value of a and b? And in our question, it's given that a is not equal to b. So let's start. First of all, we call this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. If we subtract equation 1 and 2, then this will become a square minus b. We subtract this to equation number 2. So equation number 2 is b square minus a, it's equal to 133 minus 133. So this will become a square minus b, multiply this minus by this value, so we get a minus b square plus a, it's equal to, this will become a just 0. Now in the next step we rearrange this value. So this is a square minus b square minus b plus a, it's equal to 0. This is a square minus b square. We write this as a plus b multiply a minus b. We expand this plus a minus b, it's equal to 0. Now look at this, a minus b involved in this two terms, so we factor out. So it's a minus b. The remaining value is a plus b plus 1, it's equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So a minus b, it's equal to 0, or a plus b plus 1, it's equal to 0. And look at this. If we add a b on both sides, so this will become a, it's equal to b. And in our question, it's given that a is not equal to b, so we cannot use this value. Now look at this. Implies a plus b plus 1, it's equal to 0. If we subtract a 1 on both sides, so this will become a plus b, it's equal to minus 1. And in the next step, if we subtract a b on both sides, then this will become a, it's equal to minus 1 minus b. And we write this as a minus into 1 plus b. So this implies a is equal to this value. Now look at the our equation number 1, and now we write the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is a square minus b, it's equal to 133. Now we substitute the value of a, which is this. So this will become a minus into 1 plus b whole square minus b, it's equal to 133. So this will become a 1 plus b square plus 2b, this is a minus b, it's equal to 133. And in the next step we solve this part, so this will become a b square plus b plus 1. If we subtract a 133 on both sides, then we get a minus 133, it's equal to 0. Now we solve this value. So this is a b square plus b minus 132, it's equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, so we factorize this. Look at this, this is a plus b, and if we multiply first and last digit, then we get a 132 b square. So we split this number b into two numbers such that if we multiply these two numbers, then we get a 132. If we add and subtract, then we get this middle number plus b. So the two numbers are 12b and minus 11b. If we multiply 12b by minus 11b, then we get a 132b square. And if we subtract, then we get a plus b. So we write this plus b as a plus 12b minus 11b minus this is a 132, it's equal to 0. Now b involved in these two terms, so we factor out. So the remaining value is b plus 12, and the minus 11 involved in these two terms, so we factor out. So it's a minus 11. So the remaining value is b plus 12. it's equal to 0. We write this as b minus 11 multiply b plus 12, it's equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So b minus 11, it's equal to 0, and b plus 12, it's equal to 0. So this implies b, it's equal to 11, and this implies b, it's equal to minus 12. Now it's given that a, it's equal to minus 1 and minus b. First we substitute the value of b is 11. So if we take b 11, then this will become minus 1 minus 11. So this is a minus 12. So value of a is minus 12. Now we substitute b is 12, this equation, then this will become a minus 1 plus 12, and the minus 1 plus 12 is 11, so the value of a is 11 in this case. So we write this as a 11. The value of a is 11, then the value of b is minus 12. If the value of a is minus 12, then the value of b is 11, and we have done. Thank you.